Hi, welcome to Raman Tutorials. Today we are going to start we are going to continue yesterday's topic that is based on horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, so in last class we have seen the definition of horizontal line. What is horizontal line? Just let us see once again briefly. Okay, horizontal line means suppose if we take x-axis as well as y-axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. This is x-axis and this is called y-axis. Horizontal line means the line which is parallel to x-axis. This is called horizontal line. This is called horizontal line. This is called horizontal line. The line which is parallel to x-axis is called horizontal line. Okay. Next, what is equation of the horizontal line? Horizontal line equation is y is equal to y1. Okay, equation of horizontal line is y is equal to y1. So here x-axis, we know one condition. What is equation of x-axis? X-axis equation is equation of x-axis x-axis is y is equal to 0. X-axis equation y is equal to 0. Okay. Then what is equation of y-axis? Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Okay. X-axis equation as well as y-axis equation. Two conditions we have seen. Okay. Now what about this represents? This represents equation of horizontal line. Okay. Now vertical line. What do you mean by vertical line? Vertical line is nothing but, see, I will take x-axis as well as y-axis. Okay. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Vertical lines means the lines which are parallel to y-axis. Which are parallel to y-axis. These are all called vertical lines. Okay. This is y-axis and the lines parallel to y-axis are called vertical lines. Already I said equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. Okay. Then what about equation of vertical line? Equation of vertical line is x is equal to x1. So this is equation of vertical line, and before that y is equal to y1 is equation of horizontal line. Okay, right. Based on this, so many questions will be asked. First of all, how the question frame will be, let us see. Okay, suppose this is the coordinate system, x-axis as well as y-axis, and one point is given. What is that point? The point is ordered pair 2 comma 3. So question will be asked like this: what is equation of the line or horizontal line which passes through the point 2 comma 3? Horizontal line means this is the horizontal line which passes through the point. As I said, this is x1 and this is y1. Okay. Here, what I said, equation of horizontal line, y is equal to y1. So that implies y is equal to y1 is nothing but 3. So y is equal to 3, or we can say that y minus 3 is equal to 0. This represents equation of horizontal line. In that same question, one more will be asked. What is equation of vertical line? Vertical line means it will be like this. Okay. As we said, equation of vertical line is x is equal to x1. Okay, x is equal to x1 means x is equal to 2, or we can say that x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this represents equation of vertical line which passes through the point ordered pair 2 comma 3. So this is the way to find horizontal line as well as vertical line which passes through the point ordered pair 2 comma 3. Okay. After that, I will move on to problem, how the question is. See the question. Equation of the horizontal line passing through the point ordered pair 4 comma minus 7. Okay, I think you know the answer. What will be the answer? Let us check. Point. What the point given? The point is ordered pair 4 comma 7. Right? I will represent here 4 comma 7. 4 comma 7 in starting class I told this point lies in which quadrant? This point lies in fourth quadrant. What is that fourth quadrant? 4 comma minus 7. The point will be in fourth quadrant. Here what the question asked, horizontal line. Horizontal line means this will be the horizontal line. What is equation of horizontal line? Y is equal to y1. So y is equal to y1 is nothing but minus 7. Okay, y is equal to minus 7 is nothing but y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this represents equation of the horizontal line. So what the answer is correct? Y plus 7 is equal to 0 is correct answer. Okay. Next, in similar method, let us see one more problem based on x-axis means vertical line. Okay. I think it is also easiest one. Okay. So let us see how to solve the problem. Okay. What is that? I will take x-axis as well as y-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This point, where this point lies, this point lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant means minus 4 comma 5. In question what was asked? Vertical line. Vertical line means I will draw the vertical line. So this will be the vertical line which passes through the point. Vertical line means so ordered pair I mean here x is equal to x1, no? X is equal to x1 means x is equal to minus 4. So hence x plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the correct answer. Here the correct answer will be x plus 4 is equal to 0. So in this way we can do problems. Next, I will move on to one of the important topics. First of all, types of lines. Before going to types of lines, what is general form of a straight line? General equation of straight line. What will be the general equation of straight line? General equation of a straight line is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, where a and b not simultaneously equal to 0. Okay, this is general form of the straight line. Okay, right, means all straight lines, for example 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. This represents equation of the straight line. Or x minus y is equal to 0 represents equation of the straight line. X is equal to 0. This is also represents equation of the straight line because this is a line which represents x is equal to 0 means y-axis. Okay. So y is equal to 0. This is also represents straight line. That means it is in the form of x-axis. Okay. So these all forms of general equations, equation of a straight line forms. Okay. Now I am going to do types of lines. So it is very important types of lines we need to know. Okay. So what are the types of lines? Types of lines in this first equation. First one is line passing through point ordered pair x1 comma y1 with slope m. So line passing through the point x1 comma y1 with slope m. What is the form of the straight line? Straight line form is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So this is the line which passes through the point x1 comma y1 with the slope m. Okay. So whenever one point given, equation of the straight line. Suppose 2 points given. What are those 2 points? 2 points. 2 points form. 2 points form. Okay. So 2 points form. How it will be? Whenever ordered pair x1 comma y1 as well as x2 comma y2 given, equation of the straight line. I think you may guess it. What will be the equation of straight line? Equation of the straight line is in the form of y minus y1 is equal to m. M is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is the equation of the straight line passing through 2 points. Okay, we can take one example. What is equation of the straight line passing through the point 1 comma 2 as well as 2 comma 3? Okay, if the question is given like this. Okay, how can we find equation of the straight line passing through 2 points? Before that, I will do one problem based on first one. So I will take one example of first one. What is that? Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line passing through what is that point? I will take general point passing through 0 comma 0 with slope 1 by 2. This is the question. How can you find? I think you can try substitute in this formula. What it will be? Y minus y1. This is x1 as well as y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m. M is nothing but 1 by 2 into x minus x1. X1 is nothing but 0. Okay. So by this we can say that y is equal to x by 2. So here we can write it as 2y is equal to x or x minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the form of the straight line. Okay. This is whenever one point is given. Suppose 2 points are given. Whenever 2 points are given, let us check. This is one point, this is another point. Here, first one is x1, second one is y1. This is x2 as well as y2. Okay. What is equation? You have the formula. This is the formula. Y minus y1, 2 is equal to y2 minus y1. Y1 is nothing but 2 divided by x2. x2 is nothing but 2 minus x1, 1 into x minus 1 means y minus y1. Y1 value 2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Just it is enough to simplify. Okay, so what we get, y minus 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, 1 divided by 2 minus 1, 1 into x minus 1. Okay, here what we get, y minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. From this we can write it as, right towards here, x minus 1 minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So that implies what we get, x minus y, 2 minus 1 is nothing but plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a straight line. Okay, equation of the straight line in this method we can find. Okay, now I am going to do one more formula, or I am going to write one more formula of the straight lines. So what will be the another formula? See, another formula is intercept form of the straight line. So intercept form means, first of all we need to know intercepts. Intercepts of a line. Okay, first intercepts of a line. How it will be intercepts of a line, right? So I will take the coordinate axis like this, x-axis as well as y-axis. Okay, suppose one point is on x-axis which is at the distance of a units, and I will take one point B on y-axis which is at the distance of B units. Okay, then I will join these. We got a straight line AB. So here A is called x-intercept as well as B is called y-intercept. So x-intercept is equal to A, y-intercept is equal to B. Okay, so x-intercept as well as y-intercept. I think you got the point. The distance from the origin to A is called x-intercept. X-intercept means distance on x-axis. Y-intercept means distance on y-axis. Okay, right. Now we are going to see one more straight line. What is that straight line? Intercept form of a straight line. Intercept form of a straight line. What is intercept form of a straight line? Intercept form of a straight line is, suppose I will take same y-axis as well as x-axis. Okay, so intercept form of a straight line, I will take y-axis. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. Suppose one line is there. This is the line. It is a line with slope m. Slope of the line is m. And y-intercept is c. Y-intercept. Okay. Slope is m and y-intercept y-intercept is c. Okay, then equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This form is called equation of the straight line in intercept form. Okay, here we need to remember c is y-intercept. In same method, I will write one more condition, that is x-intercept. Whenever x-intercept given, I will take a straight line. This is also a straight line. So here same line is there with slope m, and here x-intercept is d. Okay, in previous one we have taken y-intercept. This is y-intercept as I mentioned. Here we are taking x-intercept. So whenever x-intercept is d, then the straight line is y is equal to m into x minus d. So this is equation of the straight line whenever x-intercept is given. Okay. So x-intercept means this formula, y-intercept means previous formula. Okay. This is most important problem because some of the problems in competitive exams, in some of the problems we can use this. Okay. Right. After that, this is another form. And next, we are going to do one more important formula, that is intercept form of a straight line. Intercept form of straight line. What is intercept form of straight line? Okay. Now let us see intercept form of a straight line. Suppose I will take y-axis as well as x-axis. Okay. So in this y-axis, x-axis, one line is there. This is the line with x-intercept a as well as y-intercept b. Okay. Then x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1 represents equation of the straight line in intercept form. Okay, here a is called x-intercept, b is called y-intercept. In general, we can write number of equations. What is that equation? X by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. Okay, x by 2 plus y by 3 is equal to 1 means here x-intercept is 2, y-intercept is 3. That means what is meaning of that? Suppose if we take the line like this, 2 is x-intercept and 3 is y-intercept. Okay, so this is the way to find intercept form. Okay, one more form is also there, that is last form, that is called normal form. So normal form of straight line. What is normal form of straight line means? So I will take same coordinate system x-axis as y-axis. Suppose this is the line. Okay, normal is nothing but perpendicular. Suppose the normal, this is the normal, normal to the line makes angle alpha with x-axis. Then x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, where P is distance from origin to the straight line. Okay, here P is called distance from origin to the straight line. Okay, so this form is called normal form of the straight line. Okay, so x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, where alpha is the angle made by the normal with the x-axis. Okay, so these all forms of the straight line. Okay, let us see at a time we will see all the forms. First starting, what is y is equal to 0. This is equation of x-axis. Okay, y is equal to y1. This is equation of the line parallel to x-axis or horizontal line. Horizontal line equation. X is equal to 0. This is equation of y-axis. Okay, y-axis. X is equal to x1. This is equation of vertical line. Vertical line or parallel to x-axis. Okay, next another one parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is another one. Next, after that, what is general form of the straight line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of the straight line. Next, to types of straight lines. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is equation of the straight line whenever one point as well as slope is given. Next, one more, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is whenever 2 points are given. Okay, and next we are going to do one more. What is that one more? Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to mx plus c. M x plus c. This represents equation of the straight line whenever slope as well as y-intercept given. Okay. Next, y is equal to m into x minus d. This represents equation of the straight line whenever m as well as x-intercept given. Okay. Next, one more, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This represents intercept form of straight line. Intercept form of straight line. And next one more, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. This represents equation of the straight line in normal form. Okay, where P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line. So we need to remember all these. Okay, now let us do some problems based on these questions. Okay, let us check. First of all, solution we need to start. So before starting solution, question what was given? If the line passes through 2 points is parallel to line passes through 2 points, then the value of k. Okay, actually this question is not based on straight lines, means not based on types of straight lines. It is based on slope formula. Okay, so no problem. One of the different problems of the slope, let it be. Here first point as well as second point, and here C third point and D fourth point. Total 4 points given. Whenever two lines are parallel, in last class we have seen whenever two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. So M1 is equal to M2. Okay. Now let us check what is the first point. For M1 I will find minus 8 comma 3 and 2 comma 1. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so whenever 2 points are given, here slope M1 is equal to, what is M1 is equal to? Slope y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus into minus plus 8. How much it will be? 1 minus 3 value minus 2 divided by 10. So that is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay. Here y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3 divided by 2 minus in minus plus 8. First slope I got, and next second slope. What is second slope? M2 is equal to what are the remaining points? Remaining points are 11 comma minus 1 as well as k comma 0. Okay, so M2 is equal to, what is M2? Y2 minus into minus plus 1 divided by x2. X2 is nothing but k minus 11. Okay, here its value is 1 by k minus 11. Now, what we have, slopes are equal. Slopes are equal means M1 is equal to M2. That means what we get? Minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by k minus 11. Let us cross multiply this. What we get? Minus of k minus 11 is equal to 5. So I will write this minus towards there, or we can write in any way. Minus k minus into minus plus 11 is equal to 5. That means k is equal to 11 minus 5. That is nothing but 6. K value 6 I got. Let us check the answer. So 6 is correct answer. Okay. In this way we can do. Now I am going to do one more problem. What is one more problem? Yes. If the straight line is parallel to x-axis, then what is the value of k? Okay. So see the solution. So first of all, I will convert the given line. What is that? 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus this is kx plus 2ky minus 3k is equal to 0. I will convert this into standard form. What is standard form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here I will take out common as x as well as common as y plus constant, okay, is equal to 0. So in this, what is 3 plus k we get, as well as next one here 4 plus 2k we get, and here 5 minus 3k remaining. Okay, but in this one concept is there. Whenever the line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 given, we can write the slope directly as m is equal to minus a by b. In earlier classes, I told slope have three formulas. One is tan theta, m is equal to tan theta. Another one is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So now we got another formula, that is m is equal to minus a by b. Okay. Next, see here, this is first A and this is B and this is C. Okay. So here, what is M is equal to minus A by B. Minus A by B, that means M is equal to minus of A. Minus of A means, minus of A means 3 plus k divided by b. Here b means 4 plus 2k. So I got m value. Okay. The formula is minus a by b whenever ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 given. So, and in question what was given, it is parallel to x-axis. Whenever line is parallel to x-axis, what is, see, this is the form, x-axis. Okay, the given line is like this. Whenever the line is parallel to x-axis, we have slope of the line is 0. Then same slope of the line is also 0. Okay, so we can write clearly slope m is equal to 0. M is equal to 0 means I will write like this, minus of m3 plus k divided by 4 plus 2k is equal to 0. That implies what we get, minus of minus will become 0 and this will become 0. 3 plus k is equal to 0. That implies k is equal to minus 3. So this is the answer. Okay, let us check what the answer is correct. See, this minus 3 is correct answer. Okay, na? This is the way to solve the problem. So here one more important formula we got, that is m is equal to minus a by b. Right? Remember, these three are essential and important formulas for the slope, especially whenever the line is given. Okay? I will give some more example based on that formula. Okay? For example, what I told, whenever ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 given, what is slope? M is equal to minus a by b. Here I will take one example, 2x plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. From this, what is m is equal to minus 2 by 3, because a value 2, b value 3. Okay. For example, if you take 3x minus y is equal to 0. From this also you can say directly m is equal to minus 3 by minus 1. So that implies m is equal to 3, because minus minus cancel. Okay, so this is the way to find the solutions whenever the line is given. Okay. Now we are going to do one more problem. Okay. So see this. What is the problem? First of all, we need to see what the question was given. Equation of the straight line making an intercept 3 units on y-axis and inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to x-axis. Okay, see, equation of the straight line with intercept 3 units on y-axis means y-intercept. Is it correct? Y-intercept. C we can mention that value is 3. Y-intercept is given. Okay. So and inclination in earlier starting class of slope, inclination is nothing but angle. Theta is equal to how much? 45 degrees. That implies theta is equal to 45 degrees means we can find the slope. Just now I told what is that? Whenever theta is given, slope m is equal to tan theta. Okay, right. So m is equal to tan theta means m is equal to tan 45 degrees. Here m is equal to tan 45 degrees means 1. Okay, I got slope as well as y-intercept. Then the question is equation of the straight line. Okay, equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the formula because y-intercept is given. So y is equal to 1 into x plus c. C value how much? 3. Okay. That implies y is equal to x plus 3. Hence, we can say that x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let us see what is the answer. Directly it is given this one. Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 will be the correct answer. Okay, na? So this is the way to solve. Now I am going to do one more problem in the same method. This is equation of the straight line which makes 45 degrees angle with x-axis and having intercept 3 on x-axis. Here x-intercept is given, but answers I have not written. We can check it. 45 degrees angle. 45 degrees angle means slope. How can we start? X-intercept is given. So x-intercept is equal to how much given? 3. Okay. As well as theta is equal to same as before, 45 degrees. Whenever theta is equal to 45 degrees, what is slope? M is equal to tan theta. M is equal to tan 45 degrees. Okay. So 45 degrees means 1. I got M value 1. M value I have as well as x-intercept I have. How can I find the equation of the straight line whenever x-intercept is given? So y is equal to m into x minus d. Okay. So y is equal to m is nothing but 1 into x minus d. D value how much? Here x-intercept 3. So, by simplifying this, we can write it as y is equal to x minus 3. Here y will become here x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So, in this way, we can find equation of the straight line. Okay. In next class, we will do some more problems based on this concept. Okay. So till then, thank you very much. Okay.